Hello students, I am Dr. V.K. Srivastava from Delhi, and today I am going to discuss this topic, packaging of DNA helix and formation of eukaryotic chromosomes. This is part of the molecular basis of inheritance of 12th chapter 6. Okay, so first to know the DNA and packaging. What is this? So packaging of DNA over the core of histone protein takes place in the following way in order to formation of eukaryotic chromosomes. First, DNA plus core of histone nucleosome. This will give rise to nucleosome, chromatids, and chromosomes. This is the process of condensation of molecules of DNA and core of histone, and finally formation of eukaryotic chromosome. Okay, so try to understand. अब समझने की कोशिश करो इसको कि कैसे ये होता है. वेरी बेसिक कंसेप्ट से स्टार्ट करके एडवांस में जाऊंगा मैं, आप देखते रहिए. तो ये ऑर्डर याद रखिएगा. इस ऑर्डर के बाद अब जो बनेगा वो ऐसे बनेगा. देखिए, जो कोड होता है हिस्टोन प्रोटीन का ऐसा, इसको कहते हैं CORE, कोर ऑफ हिस्टोन. कोर ऑफ हिस्टोन. It is octamer structure. Octamer. And this is because of 2x into H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 histone proteins हैं. It is basic in nature, and due to more of lysines and arginines. These are the basic type of amino acid. This is the core. Okay. And now DNA helix will be packaged over this. Followed. Okay. Now come to know how it is packaged. So here you will see this is DNA helix. ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड DNA 1.75 coils 200 dp का बना होता है. इस तरह से डबल स्टैंडर्ड DNA जो है इसके ऊपर पैकेज होती है. ओके, NCERT में जो फिगर दिया हुआ है आपने देखा हुआ, यहाँ पे जो फिटेड है वह है H1 प्रोटीन. हिस्टोन प्रोटीन 5 टाइप्स की होती है. इसमें से ये H1 यहाँ होती है, जो जोड़ती है, न्यूक्लियोसोम बनाने का काम करती है. इसको समझ लिया आप लोगों ने. तो पहले ही बात हो गई, इसको कहते हैं न्यूक्लियोसोम फॉर्मेशन. ओके, नाउ कम टू नो अबाउट chromatin. So chromatin is condensation product of nucleosomes held together with a H1 protein, H1 histone or linker histone. Yes, linker histone. So come to know. Chromatin, also called beads on string structure. So if this is one nucleosome and this is another nucleosome, one nucleosome, and this is another nucleosome. Like this. So it's one protein link both together, and this constitute chromatin fiber of beads on string, and you can also like this. So this one is the core, the white core of stone, and H1, 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 H1. So this is called beads on a string structure. Beads on a string. This is called beads on a string. Hello. Now come to know chromatid. So two chromatin fibers constitute one chromatid. Two chromatin fibers, small or large, constitute one chromatid. Let us see. Chromatid. So this one is one chromatin, this one is another chromatin, दो chromatin, और total length from here to here chromatid, and this one is the kinetochore of centromere, and this consists of DNA plus protein, and this connects spindle fibers at the time of chromosomal division or chromosomal split. You can see. Now come to know how chromosome is produced. So chromosome is produced from the condensation of two chromatids like this, chromatid 1, chromatid 2. So you will have to draw some another structure, and this is and packaging take place from this side. Yes. So this is another half of the centromere, kinetochore, and dotted centromere. Centromere consists of RNA plus protein, and kinetochore consists of DNA plus protein, as you have listened. Okay, and this one is the annealing protein, and sticking to chromosome together, annealing protein, and beside this a layer of pellicle is also present from the exterior part of the chromosome, and there can be a knob like a structure called satellite. There is another structure called satellite. You can see here satellite, and this structure, green structure called pellicle, and this consists of non-histone chromosomal protein, written in NCERT overleaf. So this is eukaryotic chromosome and its organization you have seen. Now come to know about how chromosome look like. So chromosome look like, you have generally seen in books, even NCERT, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the centromere and the chromatin 1, chromatid, तो कितने होंगे? 2 chromatids, 2 chromatids and 4 chromatins. Okay. Or sometimes you can also draw like this picture. In every case, this is centromere and these are the chromatids. And this is splitted chromosome. This is splitted chromosome. This is chromosome at the time of cell division. सेल डिवीजन समय का ये क्रोमोसोम है, दिख रहा है. ओके, अब हम अगले टॉपिक को शुरू करेंगे. ओके.